everybody. Have you ever wondered how to add another network to your Metamask wallet? I'll show you.
Alright, so let's add that network, shall we? So we are in Metamask wallet, and as you can see we are in an Ethereum mainnet and we only see Ethereum, which is currently 0. So I promised that we're going to add the Binance Smart Chain or BSC network. Right, so let's click on here, this button, and go on Add Network button. Click on that. Okay, the new window has opened, and we have already offered networks, which is recognized straight away by the Metamask wallet. If you don't find in the future the network you're looking for, you can then add a network manually. In this episode, we're adding BNB chain. So this is the one, BNB chain. We click on Add. So it's just confirming, giving the information and details of the chain. We won't dive into these specifics just yet. Okay, so it's just asking if we want to add this network. We do. We click Approve. Network added successfully. Alright, and we'll switch to the BNB chain right away as well. Okay, so now we see. Okay, so it's just another confirmation that we have successfully switched to the BNB network on your Metamask account, right? So it's just giving you some information that the native token for this network is the BNB token, and you will need it in your wallet to cover any transaction gas fees, right? Got it? So this is BNB one, and it's also 0. So you will need to buy that, store it here, and then you'll be able to do all the transactions you want. And once you're ready, you would click Import Tokens and add any BNB network tokens you want, and they will be listed right under here. In the next episode, I'll show you how to add import tokens. Okay, so I just want to show you another way how to add the network in case you can't add it automatically. It's not showing you the option for some reason, right? Right, for example, the BNB is not here, so we will go and add the network manually. Okay, so in this case, we'll add the same BNB network, yeah? It would be BNB chain, right? The URL or link is https BSC hyphen dataseed dot Binance .org. So this is the address where the network is shared or hosted at Binance. Okay, so chain ID will be 56. Okay, and the currency symbol is BNB. So don't worry about the block explorer, that is optional as well, as you can see here. Alright, and you just click save, and it's added successfully. Same, switch, and you have it here. So this is just simply an alternative way how to add the network, right, in case it's not offered to you automatically. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. In the next episode, stay tuned, we will add a token.